everybody, it's Campfire Trish coming at you from the river, actually. Main squeeze and I don't know, my son. Trying to think of a cool name for him. Main squeeze 2? I don't know. Or squeeze 2? Who knows? We ended up actually coming to one of the places we scouted out the other day and put our fishing rods in and just kind of letting them dangle a little bit. Who knows if we'll catch anything or not, but I'm aiming to at least catch one fish this trip. We shall see, right? But it's nice, it's warm, it's early, well, mid-morning now, and yeah, who knows how long we'll be out here. But it's supposed to be another really hot one today, and we're supposed to get some storms this afternoon, so we shall see. But otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this this time by the river. Maybe even do a little bit of reading. Who knows? That's what I'd like to do. I'd like to read, fish a little, read a little, fish a little, read a little. So we'll see how it goes. Woohoo! I got the first fish.